see what our customers are saying.
Connecting with the team at New Trend Deck Supply Company has been an absolute pleasure. I dealt with New Trend before on smaller projects, but when I needed to upgrade and expand my deck at home, they were my go-to. Visiting their showroom, I was particularly impressed by the variety and quality of materials available. The knowledgeable staff helped me narrow down my choices based on my specific needs and preferences. New Trend not only supplied 100% of the material needed to build the deck, but their expert advice also made the process seamless and enjoyable. Our vision was to create a space where we could enjoy outdoor living. We wanted a deck that seamlessly added to our extensive garden area, and New Trend helped us achieve that vision perfectly. Our backyard is our garden oasis. The deck is now a natural part of it. The cost was very fair given the exceptional quality of the products and the level of service we received. We are very happy with the results.
Thanks for watching. You've got a friend at New Trend.